welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to directly chat with Leo AI in your Brave browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use your Brave browser. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Brave browser. After you open up your Brave browser, what you need to do next is to come to the address bar right here. And then from address bar right here, type at, then this is going to pop up. What you need to do right here is to simply select Ask Leo. Click on that, and in a few seconds, it's going to redirect you to a page like this, whereby you will need to accept to term and service of using Brave browser. So if you are the first time using Leo Chat in Brave browser, so what you need to do right here is to simply click on I understand, and it takes you to Leo browser right here. It seems like you might have sent a blank message or a single character. Could you please provide more context or clarify what you are looking for right here? Now you can use this AI to solve any problem you might think of so far. Now let's see how we can simply ask this particular Leo AI a simple question in order to provide a relevant answer. So what we want to do right here is that you can simply ask Leo AI that, can you please tell me how to use, can you please tell me 10 ways to use Brave browser. So just question like that. Then I'm going to press enter key to send. So in a few seconds, let's check it out, the result. So just like what you see right here, you can see beautiful results so far. Now here, download and install Brave, block ads and trackers. That is one of the features you see when you use Brave browser. And cryptocurrency, use Brave VPN, switch to Brave from Firefox, then customize your browser behavior, install extensions, use Brave rewards, protect multiple devices, access a new way of thinking about the web, and so on and so forth. So here, you can also ask this AI that, can you please translate the above message into Chinese language. Then we hit enter. Just like what you see right here, in a few seconds, Brave browser Leo started to translate everything we spoke right here in Chinese character. This is just to tell you that if you don't understand English language, you can convert whatever result you get right here into whatever language you understand. Now, if you want to copy your chat right here, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here, just to copy the response from the Leo chat. So it's as simple as that. Then one more thing you can do right here, you can come down below right here, click on this icon right here, and use some of the keywords right here, such as explain, paraphrase, improve, change tone academics, etc. You can scroll down and you can also add tagline for social media and blog posts, etc. So these are the stuff you can do with Leo AI Smart in Brave browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.